Hello friends, welcome back to World of Finance. This is week 29 of 2026 and today we'll be discussing some of the key events that happened last week and also the market outlook for the upcoming week. So let's get started. So on a week to week basis, Nifty is up by 0.53%, whereas Bank Nifty is up by 0.82%. And among the major indices, Nifty IT led the rally. It is up by 4.34%. And if we see the first 4 days of the week, Nifty was very much range bound. It taken a good support at 24,000, and it was trading within a range of 200 to 250 points all till Thursday. But then on Friday we have seen a huge breakout on the upside, and Nifty broke the 24,250 levels, and we closed around 24,334. It is up by 1.09%, and Bank Nifty is also up by 1.63%, and all the other major heavyweights are up. Like Reliance was up by 2.36%, TCS was up by 3%, and Nifty IT was up by 1.75%. So quite a bit of rally happened on Friday, majorly because of the earnings anticipation. So all the Nifty heavyweights declared result on Friday and Saturday mostly. And the banking sector, if we see, right, HDFC, ICICI, Kotak, Axis, everyone declared their result yesterday, and Reliance declared result on Friday. So now if we go and look at the results a little bit, among the banking sector, ICICI has outperformed, and it has beaten all the estimates. All the parameters are really good actually. So if we see the overall PAT, it is up by 16%, and the number is 14,804 crore. Estimate it has beaten by 10%. Okay, and net interest margin, we can see it is 4.36% versus 4.32 was the estimate. Net interest income is up by 10%. It is around 23,844 crore. Operating profit increased by 9%. If we see the major heavyweight HDFC, right? HDFC, again the profit is up by 5% year on year. The numbers are around 19,059 crore. The estimate was little bit on the higher side. 19,720 crore was the estimate. Net interest income is up by 6.7%. It is around 33,534 crore. Estimate was 34,250 crore. So slightly we can say lesser than the estimate, but it is very much in line with the estimate. But ICICI is definitely the major outperformer. If we see Kotak Bank, Kotak has also been in line with the estimate. The net interest income is up by 9.2%, profit is up by 26%. It is around 4,123 crore. Estimate was 3,975 crore. And overall net interest income is up by 19%. So overall we can say it is in line with the estimate. Axis Bank has been a disappointment, we can say, and if we see the numbers, margin has declined fifth quarter straight. So every quarter margin is declining for Axis Bank, and even the top management stability is not there. Like CFO has recently moved out from Axis Bank. Asset quality has decreased. CASA has decreased by 200 basis point. But the thing is that the estimation was also not very great. So result is always very comparative. Like we have to see the estimates, and based on that how much surprise is there, positive or negative surprise. Based on that, basically the performance happens over next few weeks or so. So Axis Bank estimate was bad, and yeah, it is in line with the estimate. So overall, it's a modest result. Now, if we come to Reliance, right? Reliance again is as per estimation. It has beaten the margin estimate by 40 basis points. So last year it was 15%. Now it is 15.4%. So margin expansion happened even at this level. Revenue is around 5% increase, 3 lakh 9,000 lakh crore. EBITDA is up by 8%, 47,517 crore. And if we see the bifurcation of the businesses, right? So their O2C business, that is oil to chemical, has done really great. 17.2% EBITDA increase, that is in line with the estimates. Digital business, that is the Jio, Hotstar and others, it is 2% increase is also there. Retail has beaten quite a bit, but again, retail we cannot compare very much with quarter on quarter thing, because it's a cyclical thing. But yeah, definitely there is a decline of 8% revenue and 14.2% PAT decline. EBITDA also declined in the retail sector. Oil and gas has outperformed once again. EBITDA is 19% quarter on quarter. So overall, we can say most of the results are as per anticipation, or some of the results has even beaten the estimates. So it's quite good in terms of result anticipation. So the Friday rally which we have seen in Indian market, it is because of the estimate, and yeah, it's quite a good satisfactory result. IT has already declared result last week, and we have seen good numbers or inline numbers from most of the IT businesses. Wipro has been a disappointment, definitely. So now if we come to the technical part of the things, right? So Nifty at the money straddle is trading around 247 points, the 24,350 strike price, which is little bit high, and the implied volatility has increased. VIX has increased by 7.3% from last week. It is trading at 13.15, which is a decent number, not very high, but but week on week it has increased by 7.3%. So we can expect a little bit of volatility this week because of this high implied volatility and all these things. Now coming to the commodities, if we see gold and silver are under pressure, definitely. Both are trading below 50-day moving average. Gold is at 1,40,000 level. Silver is at 2,18,000 level. Crude has seen a sharp rally from last week. It is up by 14% because of the US-Iran tensions again got escalated. Supply concerns are there. So a lot of factors are playing for crude oil. So next week we have to see or watch the market very closely. On one side we have a good result, so optimism is there in Indian market, but again the global outlook is not good. All this turmoil and tensions are there, so the verdict will be cautiously bullish, we can say. And Nifty is trading around 24,350 level. We have to see how it is reacting to this level right now. And if we see further breakout, the next immediate target will be 24,530 was the last week's high. So that level we have to watch, and from there 24,700 or further till 25,000 Nifty can rally once all this breakout happens. But again, we have to be very cautiously bullish. On the lower side, 24,000 is a very, very important line for Nifty. So hopefully we will able to get a lot of support at that level. So yeah, that's the view for next week. We are cautiously bullish, and let's see what happens in the market. See you next week. Thank you.